Today's tutorial, how to add shadow effect to text in C#. How's it going, everyone? In this tutorial, we'll learn how to add a shadow effect to text using the IronWord library in a .NET application. First, make sure you have the IronWord NuGet package installed in your project. If not, you can add it via the NuGet package manager. We'll start by importing the IronWord namespace and setting up the license key in your program.cs file. This will give you access to the features that we'll use to apply the shadow effect. Next, create a new Word document using the Word document class. And this document will contain the text with the shadow effect. To apply the default shadow effect, we configure a TextStyle object. So for this example, we use the shadow.outerShadow1 preset to add an outer shadow. We add the text hello world to the document and apply the shadow effect to that. Once the text style is ready, save the document with the shadow effect applied. Now let's customize the shadow effect by adjusting properties such as blur radius, color, direction, and distance from text. We apply these customizations to another text style and add the text customized shadow to the document. Finally, we save the document with the customized shadow effect applied to the text. All right, so let's run the application and check the output. And there you go. You'll see the text with a customized shadow featuring a bottom left alignment and aqua color. And that's it. We've successfully added both default and customized shadow effects to text in a Word document using IronWord. Try experimenting with the different shadow settings to give your text a more dynamic look. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software. And if you'd like to get started with IronWord, please sign up for the trial on the site and continue to download and install the package and experience the power of our software firsthand. Go ahead, click the link below in the description. Check it out for yourself.